Welcome back to TNT's Garage. So it's been a few weeks and we've been going at this thing. Got a few different things we can show you that we went and picked up. Kind of gathered some ends. We're here to come pick my seat up and I haven't seen it yet. Let's go in and check it out.
How are you? Good. Look what the wind blew in.
I know. You made it.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Dang.
What do you think?
I like it. That's good work.
Thanks.
The driver's side. Looks good. Sick. Woohoo! Got it back. Really down on the ground.
It's like, I want a classic, Dad. Yep, we're there.
No, we definitely aren't doing that. We all got seatbelts. Austin, you're on the roof. Well, a lot of money later. We have trim, my seat, my panels, my sun visors. I got a Dakota digital dash display. It's like turns the old gauges into the, like reads the Suburban, so then I can have all that stuff. And then I got air conditioning. I think it's called Classic Air. So we have an AC and gauges and stuff.
Sweet, let's go rent it now. It's not. Yeah.
Oh boy. Let's hope that steering wheel. Is that good? Oh, it's tilt, huh? Yeah, I drive it like a Peterbilt now. So, one of the big things that happened was in here. We got a seat, and then while we were up there, we got an air conditioning system. Got my door panels and my Dakota digital dash. We haven't put that in yet. That's still in the making because it's a lot of wiring and it's kind of a pain. So one of the things we haven't secured down to the frame yet is my bed. What we want to do with the bed is roll the underside of it with black Rust-Oleum paint, so then dirt doesn't get up in the inner fender wells and up in the sides of the bed and rust it out. So we're gonna go get the bed tool lifter and lift that bed off and finally get some mounts made and secure that bed down to the frame. Got a new machine operator. Hey, Bubba. Okay, get back to work.
At the last second when you just center up your washer. See how the washer's sagging at the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. That's better.
grind. It'll buff, right?
Did you get that on camera?
Perfect.
Boys and girls, that's what you don't do.
Yeah.
And Austin, where's your mask? You could be breathing these toxic stuff in your lungs.
Take this.
Good.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yummy.
Black.
No, white. Ew. No, don't pop it.
I don't want that.
Move.
See nothing.
Oh.
Somebody didn't seal the lid all the way.
Okay, come here, boy. The poor chair's gonna be black after we're done. Stop. Maybe this is not the killer should be clean. Here, take this one. Keep the rust out, baby. At least try to.
Try. I already have one.
Popsicle.
Does the camera want to try some?
You're done, son. Carpet, baby. Hopefully the size we need, because the last one was for the low dog house. This one should be for big transmission tunnel. Yeah. So.
Wax on, wax off.
Unboxing.
Try it. Shh, come on. Come here. Unbox it. Shh. Can't be loud. I don't know why. It's gonna make you itchy.
Hold the box down, monkey, with both hands.
No.
Is this the same color?
That's perfect.
Okay, so we're done for the day. I got that guy on for the classic air kit. So that blocks off the old heater. Inside here, we really haven't done much. Worked just a little bit of the wiring over. That's still coming in the future. Mostly it was just this bed today. So as you saw, we lifted it off, painted all the rails, painted all the way up in here, all the way up on the inner. So that's all black now, so that's not gonna rust out. The inner fenders up in here, it's all black. And then while this was off and I was painting it with Austin, my dad had this bar in there, this one, and it was a 3-inch, but it was 1 inch low. So then he bought a 4-inch and then installed that in there. So it's working out okay, but it's not secured down all the way yet. So we have to work on that a little bit better. But other than that, that was kind of what we did. Thanks, man. Okay,